If you are considering becoming more physically active, you're part of a growing movement. Over the past decade, more people have started incorporating sports, fitness, or recreational activity into their daily lives. Whether your goal is improving fitness, building strength, or simply spending less time sitting still, your body goes through a series of predictable changes once you begin. Hello, my name is Dr. Perja. For over 20 years, I've been researching nutrition, weight loss, and bodybuilding, and have some evidence-based experience in my own body and others. During your very first workout, it's common to feel more awake and energized. Increasing your heart rate boosts circulation and delivers more oxygen to the brain, which can sharpen alertness. However, the day after often tells a different story. Many beginners experience muscle soreness known as delayed onset muscle soreness or DOMS. This stiffness and discomfort can last up to 3 days, but the encouraging part is that it usually becomes less intense as your muscle adapt and you continue training consistently. As the weeks go by, your body starts making deeper internal adjustments. One of the most important is an increase in mitochondria through a process called mitochondrial biogenesis. Mitochondria act as energy factories inside your cells, converting carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable fuel for muscle contraction. Research shows that after about 6 to 8 weeks of regular exercise, mitochondrial density can increase by as much as 50%. With more efficient energy production, endurance improves, and activity like running a few miles begin to feel noticeably easier than they did at the start. Visible results start to show with consistent exercise. For those doing a strength training, muscle definition becomes clearer. This is also an important point for sticking with the routine, as many people quit before seeing progress. If your focus is on cardiovascular fitness, regular training improves how well your body delivers oxygen to muscles. This means you can run faster or longer with less effort. Exercise also benefits bone health by increasing bone density. The benefits of long-term exercise go beyond physical health. It can also save money by reducing healthcare costs, especially for heart disease. Regular activity lowers the risk of arthritis, type 2 diabetes, cognitive decline, and some cancers like breast and colon cancer. Most importantly, exercise helps improve mental health by reducing stress hormone, which lowers anxiety and depression and supports a better mood. How you exercise matters. Intensity, diet, and activity levels all play a role. Health experts recommend a mix of moderate or a higher intensity exercise each week, along with muscle strengthening activities. When starting, it's important to pace yourself to avoid injury. As you get fitter, you can gradually increase your effort. With consistent training and a proper recovery, long-term progress will follow naturally. Hey, if you like this video, you can check out this one over here. Be good.